Welcome back to Health and Wellness for You and Your. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. What's for breakfast? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn this into this, a delicious breakfast. I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious French toast, scrambled eggs and cheese, and a glass of orange juice. We're going to be using cage-free eggs and 12 whole grain bread. So let's get cooking. Let's cut our oranges in half and start juicing. And just like some of the other videos, at times we'll be speeding up the video a little bit. I have to admit, ever since I tried freshly squeezed orange juice from oranges and not buying the orange juice in a container from the grocery store, I've been addicted ever since. It's the sweetest, most delicious juice that I've ever tasted besides pineapple juice. So if you get a chance, make sure you taste freshly squeezed orange juice and you'll simply love it, just like I do. We're going to crack our eggs and put them in the bowl to make our French toast, egg, and cinnamon batter mix. All right, yay, I was able to crack all the eggs without getting any shells inside of our egg batter mix. If you see any egg shells, just make sure you take them out before whipping the eggs up. A fork works just fine to whip the eggs up, but you also can use a whisk if you like. After scrambling the eggs, it's time to add our milk. I used to use cow milk for the French toast egg batter milk, but now I use almond milk. I love to add cinnamon to my French toast egg batter milk to give it a little extra cinnamony flavor. I prefer to add butter to the frying pan so the French toast can have a buttery taste. Ooh, look at that buttery sizzle. That means it's time to add our French toast. Next, we're going to dip our 12 whole grain bread slices into our egg batter and place them in our frying pan. Here's a few nutritional facts for eating eggs. Brown eggs are rich in high quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. The protein in eggs can support digestive health and regularity. They contain various vitamins such as B vitamins, vitamin D, and minerals, which are crucial for overall health. Some brown eggs may contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Brown eggs can be cooked in various ways, adding nutritional value to meals like omelets, salads, and sandwiches. The vitamin D content in brown eggs contributes to bone health and calcium absorption. And lastly, brown eggs are often affordable and provide a cost effective source of nutrition. Just a bit of a caution for eating too many eggs in one day or a week. Consuming too many eggs can raise cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease for some people. So don't be eating too many egg yolks, folks. Here's a few nutritional facts for eating 12 whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is rich in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. It provides a steady release of energy due to its complex carbohydrate content, helping to maintain blood sugar levels. Whole grain bread typically has a lower glycemic index compared to white bread, meaning it has less of an impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber in whole grain bread supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Whole grains contain nutrients like folate and vitamin E, which are beneficial for brain health and cognitive functions. Okay, it's time to fix our scrambled eggs and cheese. Whoops, see, there's a piece of shell, so I'm just going to use my fork to remove it. Let's add a little pepper for flavor. Let's also add sea salt. Here are a few of my creative egg dish suggestions. It's time for Trey's creative egg dish suggestions. Eggs sunny side up. Cook eggs in a skillet with a little butter or oil, leaving the yolks intact and slightly runny. They're simple, classic, and perfect for dipping toast or soaking up with a piece of bread. Eggs over easy, similar to sunny side up eggs, but flipped briefly to lightly cook the yolks on both sides while still keeping them runny. They're versatile and delicious on their own or as a topping for breakfast sandwiches or bowls. Poached eggs. Cook eggs gently in simmering water until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. Poached eggs are great on toast, salads, or as a topping for dishes like Eggs Benedict. An omelet. Beat eggs with a little milk or water, then pour into a hot skillet and cook until the edges start to set. Add your favorite fillings like cheese, vegetables, or cooked meats. Then fold the omelet over and cook until the filling is heated through. Fritta. Similar to an omelet, but cooked in the oven instead of on top of the stove. Beat eggs with milk or cream. Add your desired fillings, then pour into a greased baking dish and bake until set. Fritters are great for feeding a crowd and can be served hot or cold. Egg muffins. Beat eggs with your favorite fillings like diced vegetables, cheese, and cooked meats. Then pour into muffin tins and bake until set. These portable breakfast treats are perfect for meal prep and can be customized to suit your taste. Egg sandwich. Fry or scramble eggs and sandwich them between two slices of bread, English muffins, or bagels. Add toppings like cheese, bacon, avocado, or salsa for extra flavor. Egg breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with your favorite fillings like diced potatoes, peppers, onions, and cheese, then wrap them in a large tortilla. Add salsa, sour cream, or avocado for a tasty filling breakfast on the go. And lastly, egg and veggie hash. Cook diced potatoes and vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and spinach in a skillet until tender. Then add beaten eggs and cook until set. It's a hearty and satisfying breakfast option that's packed with flavor and nutrients. Let's get back to our scrambled eggs. What are some of you and your family's favorite egg dishes? Leave a comment and let me know. The key to cooking my perfect scrambled eggs is to one, even though it's a non-stick pan, use enough butter, and two, always keep the eggs moving. Do not let the eggs sit too long where you'll scorch the eggs from the bottom of the pan. Always keep them moving and flip them over, and you'll have perfectly made scrambled eggs. And there you have it, a delicious breakfast. French toast, scrambled eggs and cheese, and freshly squeezed orange juice. Now all we have to do is add a little 100% pure maple syrup. Alright, all we have to do is see how it tastes. Sweet and delicious, especially when it's topped off with 100% pure maple syrup. Thank you for watching another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit your notifications and comment. Make sure all of you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.